this is a dresser that I thrifted over 7 years ago. I decided to refurbish it one last time. This is like the third time because when I first got it, it was like green and red, and then I painted it white. And I just have no luck finding a solid wood dresser that I really like. So I just decided to do this one last time. I promise after this I'm gonna donate it. I had to do a lot of paint stripping, multiple tries because it has multiple layers of paint before I could even get to sanding it. But I really love the end result and I hope you like it too. Watch till the end. Wood dowels from Amazon, and I thought they were going to be a lot bigger and longer to cover the front of all of the drawers with a nice design, but it didn't work out that way, so I randomly did something with them. It still turned out cute, but it really wasn't what I wanted. And here I'm removing the wallpaper or contact paper that I had on the inside of the drawer, and look at that wood. The wallpaper, or I should say contact paper, it preserved inside so nicely. So I ran into some issues, of course. Here are the pulls. This is like where I thought I was going to be done, but the pulls would not allow the top drawer to go in and the second drawer to close. So I had to end up buying some new ones. I thought the first ones were going to be so elegant, and then these came and they were so small. I was a little disappointed, but I was determined to use them. I'm like, that's it. The first pulls I had were rose gold, so these are like more gold than rose gold, but they were so tiny, so tiny, and I don't know, I was really disappointed. So here I am, I'm gonna compare them to some pulls that are on my daughter's dresser, and look at the size difference. So I was a little disappointed, but they were gonna work. Here is the final look with them on. Love. And of course the paint looks different in lighting and in an enclosed space. But I just added some paper here on the inside, some drawer sheets, and they have a scent to them, so it would give the drawer a nice smell or nice scent. But I love it, and I hope you guys love it too. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud. So proud. Keep you in my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want